Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the Yellow House book. Specifically, we did a video just giving some background on this. We did another video contemporaneously with this one where we discussed house books in general, just as a quick overview. Thai house books, generally speaking, are called a blue Tebian bond or a blue house book. Tebian bond literally means house registration or registrar of housing, whatever you want to call it. These Tebian bonds act kind of like a living census, and they do have ramifications from a constructive notice standpoint in the Thai legal system as well. But long story short, they're kind of the root identity document for Thais. I mean, you have your birth certificate, but then you have to be in a house registration book in order to get other documentation, such as the Thai ID card. So in many ways, it's kind of a root document here in Thailand. Now, many foreigners will often ask, is it possible for a foreigner to get a house book? Short answer is yes and no. Under the Civil Registration Act of 1991, they created what are called yellow Tebian bonds or yellow house books. These are for foreign nationals in Thailand in a non-immigrant visa capacity. As we discussed in the video specifically on house books, permanent residents, even though they're foreign, can be put into a Thai house book. If you have PR, if you're in immigrant status, you can be in a blue house book. But if you're in non-immigrant status, the only thing you can get is what's called a yellow Tebian bond. And a yellow Tebian bond it's basically just a foreign Tebian bond. Now, there are circumstances, and we've seen them, where one can be issued, for example, on a house that perhaps a Thai owns. In the vast majority of cases where we see yellow Tebian bonds, where we see them, in the vast majority of cases, it's in the context of a Thai condominium, where you've got a condo, you own it, a foreigner owns it outright, and they want to be on their own house book, and they get a yellow house book issued for that purpose. That happens. It's quite frequent, actually, getting a yellow Tebian bond. I've had one in the past when I was still a foreigner in Thailand. They can lead to other things. For example, what's called a pink ID card, a Thai ID card for a foreign national. It is possible to get one. Generally speaking, although this is not exclusively the case, but generally speaking, they want to see a Tebian bond before a Thai ID card will be issued to a foreigner, so that can provide some benefits. Sometimes a yellow house book is useful, for example, for banking purposes. That being said, as I've discussed in other videos, as far as like a major tool that provides a lot of benefits, yellow house book isn't really something that really does that. In my opinion, yeah, it provides some benefits depending on the circumstances, but for the most part, a yellow Tebian bond, I mean, it's a registration tool, and that's about it.